Hey guys, so today I'll just be showcasing my portfolio assignment and I'll be showcasing the new CSS code that I've included and any of the new changes that I included in my HTML. And at the end, I'll be showcasing it on the actual website and I'll be talking about any of the challenges that I faced and how I was able to overcome them. All right, so let's talk about any of the new changes that I included in my HTML. So in the HTML, I added some new tags to organize the page better. I use a div tag to group and organize different sections of my web page. I'm also able to utilize the nav tag, which is for navigation. And this is where all the navigation links are grouped, like for summary, education, skills, and projects. So it's easier to click through different sections. I also added a section tag to separate the main parts of the page and summary, education, skills, and projects. And it just makes everything just much neater. And I'll show you at the end of the actual sidebar itself. You're able to just click on the name, it'll take you right to it. And so yeah, so here it is. Here's my HTML. Not much has changed, but I was able to organize everything and make sure everything was in its own class and had also had it with the ID and everything. So I was able to call it back to my other file, which I'll show right now, which is my CSS file. Right? I think you guys are able to see this one. Actually, so on the CSS side, I added things like a display grid for project section to make it look more organized. With the projects laid out, neat boxes. I'll show you guys at the end, but it would be in its own separate box with the name, the short sentences describing the project, and the two photos each one. And the display flex helps position things like the sidebar and skill section, making sure everything I guess fits well on the page. I also use padding, margins, and font sizes to make things look better, more readable. Yeah, overall, that's what I did. Also, made sure to include colors, and I made everything, centered on, its own right size and all that. Um, and overall, this can just make the whole web page look better and overall just much nicer. Now, we'll just talk about any of the challenges I faced. So, one of the challenges I faced was basically, getting used to doing CSS on a separate file. Because at first I had it under one file, I just put style, and I was able to put it the HTML, which wasn't practical because we didn't have the two files. Now that they're showcasing the actual website stuff. So here's the website itself. As you can see, it has its own header and everything. Everything is set up. Um, and now everything looks much nicer. Sorry. Step by summary, education, take you right to it. All the other buttons work out too. As you can see, the projects are in their own separate boxes, which makes everything look nicer. Yeah, overall, this was pretty I'd say the most difficult one, but I was able to utilize the resources I had using Udemy and all that to make everything more practical and easier for me. And overall, yeah. I thank you guys for watching.